Are you looking for an oven that lets you bake perfect pizzas, but you're not sure which model to choose? Today I'm going to show you two different lines, the Evolution line and the Pro line, so that you can choose the best oven that suits your needs. Let's start with what they have in common. Both these ovens are 100% made in Italy and they have an amazing thermal insulation. Because of this, they can get up to 500 degrees and bake a Neapolitan pizza in just 90 seconds. And the cool thing is that they're plug and bake, so that you can have professional performance in your own house. But here comes the real question. What's the difference between these two lines? Here is where the differences begin. First of all, the way they manage the temperature. Most domestic ovens use mechanical thermostats. The results? Constant temperature changes, overheating, cooling down, restart. Your cooking is all over the place. The Easy Pizza Pro takes a big step forward with electronic thermocouples. They ensure more accurate temperature reading and much more consistent heat. But the Easy Pizza Evolution takes it even further with smart temperature control. In addition to electronic thermocouples, it uses the advanced PID system, a smart algorithm that adjusts the power of the heating elements in real time. This keeps the temperature stable with minimal fluctuations. The results? Precise and uniform cooking every time. And the bonus? Even lower energy consumption. Both lines have digital interfaces, but the level of control you get is quite different. With the Easy Pizza Pro, you can choose the temperature and you will see the actual temperature in real time. It's straightforward and super easy to use. The Easy Pizza Evolution gives you a next level experience. With this screen right here, you can see not only the actual temperature of the chamber, you can see the desired temperature you set, the boost function, the programs you're using, the phases, a lot of stuff. In short, total control at your fingertips. With the Easy Pizza Pro, the heating elements always run at 100% power. This gives you strong and fast heat, but less flexibility. The Easy Pizza Evolution, on the other hand, lets you choose the power of each heating element. Here's how it works. 0%, the heating element is off. At 50%, the heating element cycles on and off every second. 100%, full continuous power. This means you can precisely control the heat. Need a crispier base? Increase the percentage of the bottom. Do you need a golden crust? Then do it the same on the top. This is where Easy Pizza Evolution shines. All Evolution ovens include 30 fully customizable cooking programs. For each one, you can personalize the name, the phases, the temperature, the percentage, and a lot of other things. This gives you total control over your recipes and repeatable results every time. With the Evolution line, you also get visual cooking indicators. Each program can have up to 3 phases. During each phase, the display shows top and bottom heating element temperature and the cooking phase duration. When a phase ends, the oven will automatically move to the next one, and you will know when this happens because you will hear a loud beep. This is perfect for more advanced or multi-step cooking methods. This feature is not available on the Easy Pizza Pro line. Another exclusive feature of the Evolution line is the possibility to share your customized programs with your friends and family using this, a USB stick. You can also use the USB to update the firmware to have always the latest version. It's a small detail but a very powerful tool. So, which oven is right for you? The Easy Pizza Pro is perfect if you're a pizza lover ready to level up. It's fast, powerful, and easy to use. Ideal for home cooks, small catering, food trucks, and whoever's looking for performance without compromise. Easy Pizza Evolution is made for those who want total control. Whether you're a professional, a serious baker, or someone who loves experimenting with the phases of the baking process, the Evolution line is your best ally. Two different lines, but one shared goal: bringing professional pizza making to your kitchen. Easy Pizza Pro, powerful, simple, and fast. Easy Pizza Evolution, precise, customizable, and smart. Now it's your turn to choose. Find out more on effeuno.biz or on your trusted dealer's website and treat yourself with the oven that's made for you.